Welcome to Exotic Spice. Let's cook! Today, I will show you how to make momos. Here are the ingredients. In a frying pan, add your oil, then add your onions, and let it cook until it's got a nice light shade of golden brown. Then add chili, garlic, pepper. Here I'm using kebab mix, or you could use any other marinating spice powder if you'd like for taste and flavor. Mix it until it's well blend. And then add soy sauce, oyster sauce, lemon juice, your meat, and salt to taste. Then stir until nicely blended and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. But do stir occasionally just to make sure it's cooked evenly. Now add carrots and mix. If the color is a bit lighter, you can always add a little bit of more soy sauce and oyster sauce for a darker look. Turn your stove high and cook until the water evaporates, leaving a nice moist mixture. Now add cilantro and mix well. Let it cool as you prepare the dough mix. In a small bowl, add the flour and slowly mix in water until it's a nice smooth paste. Use a parchment paper on a tray where you can place the momos so they don't stick together. For my momo today, I'm using store-bought dumpling wrappers. It comes in a pack of 100, which is perfect. With the amount of fillings, it will actually use up everything. Now lay the wrappers on the parchment paper and take one by one to cover the rim of the wrapper with the flour paste. Place spoonful of chicken fillings in the middle and slowly start folding them together. You can start from the sides as you go towards the middle. If it gets wrinkled, it actually looks better, so don't worry about how it looks. Once you have used up all the fillings or finished all the wrappers, prepare a flat frying pan to start turning them into delicious momos. Now the stove heat needs to be in between high and medium heat. Sprinkle some oil in your flat frying pan. Now lay the momos all over the pan and let it cook for half a minute. And then check to see if it's turning golden brown. You can flip on each side to cook a little bit, just again for that crispy texture and flavor. Now, depending on the size of the pan that you're using, you can put half a cup of water or 1 cup of water and quickly put the lid on because we want the momos to now cook through steaming. Open the lid and stir it a little bit to make sure any leftover water is all evaporated. Then place it on a serving dish and repeat for each one of the momos until all is cooked. Well guys, here we go. It's ready to serve, ready to eat. Enjoy. This looks yummy. If you have followed through and made this, be proud of yourself because you've done it. You no longer need to go out and buy. Every time you feel like eating momos, you can now make it right at home. I hope you're enjoying my videos. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch me, and see you next time. Take care everyone. Enjoy it with your family.